Good day everyone. So for today, let me teach you on how to clear cache on your any Android device. So in order to do that, just simply go to the settings of your Android device and then just simply go over to the apps and services. By the way, uh, the apps and services is different on based on the cell phone that you are using, but just simply go to the apps and then just simply click the apps, and you may now choose what app you want to clear cache. So let's say for example I am going to clear cache my, let's say, the Hello Money. And in order to clear cache, just simply go to the storage, and then you have option to clear data or clear cache. So let's say I am going to clear cache my application Pasha Ecomobi. So just simply go to the storage and then just simply clear cache. Click clear cache. Or you can choose clear data as well. Let's say another application. So let's say Piano Tiles. Just go to the storage and then clear cache. Just simply click clear cache. So that's it on how to clear cache your application in any Android device.